No? Okay.
Jump those!
Tree roots. They get hella slippery when they're wet. Pull that down.
That really hurt. Oh well. Live and learn.
Up it on. Mate, we're gonna reroute, please. What's going on, guys? Beautiful Saturday morning here. Going down to Track and Trail in Dorchester, down by Crossroads. Is it Crossroads or Crossways?
I don't know. One of them. Don't worry about it.
Stay tuned for more.
Oh right, that's it.
I don't know what else to say.
More?
I'm driving. What more do you want me to say?
Oh, I'll ask you questions.
Oh, you know how hard it is to think whilst driving.
You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job.
I'm trying to drive it.
You're
You just
doing a
sat
great
there holding the
job.
phone and go, oh, is that what we're doing?
No.
Good one.
No.
Do something! Guys, if I could have a twin of me to do everything, I would. Get rid of this one.
How's your back faring up?
We'll see this afternoon.
You feeling a bit nervous?
No, are you?
Yes.
We're back after the last pay and play. It was a little bit sore, should we put it that way?
So you were using a walking stick for 2 weeks.
That's what happens, isn't it? But it's mostly better now, so we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't reappear.
It does say for the track today that it's quite technical.
Are you in the shot?
I know, I don't think so. Would you like me to be?
Well, I don't know. If that's just going to have me sat there driving.
Yeah, the track's supposed to be quite technical today.
Yeah. Sandy and gravelly tracks.
Oh, good.
So we'll see.
Good. Perfect for a beginner.
Don't worry about other people. You come round there, you do you. Happy? You worried about him, didn't you? Mid-corner.
A little bit.
Yeah? Fuck him. Just do you. Yep. So back there on that little hill that I struggled on, that was actually the red route. My apologies, Zoe, if you followed me. The green route was to the right hand side. I didn't see the sign till it was too late. Whoopsie! That bit was a little bit tricky. Even just after that red route, there's that drop down into this downhill. Hopefully she's alright. What I don't want her to do is come to a day like this and get scared of the sport, especially when there's people going a lot quicker. It's hard just to ignore someone when they're right behind you on a corner, but you just got to do you, get through your line, and when you get to an open space like this, then just pull over, play them past. Sage old thing, if they're good enough, they'll get round you. If you're a novice, you shouldn't have to try and accommodate for them. Ah, easier said than done. Woo. Yay! I don't know if you saw that. Straight through there. Might just come off. A little bit slippery through there. Feel like I'm going to be walking back up in a sec. Did you go to the left or to the right? The left is the red route. That's the red. That's the red route. Not the happy? She's doing really well for a second time. Can't fault her. These type of events are pretty scary, especially as a novice. I'm used to riding, just not that. She's up, good. This is what I said is going to be crucial next time we come. Definitely go the easy route, green route. What we like, nice and easy. Not here to win any competitions today, just practice. It's the third time I've been on the bike. Been on a two-stroke, should I say. I'm still learning how to ride. I used to have the WR250, that was mine for 3 years. Didn't really go on it much due to the work. So hopefully my skills aren't taking too much. Go on, girl, you've got it. Give it beans. Give it beans. Go, go, go. More yet, more yet, more yet. Good. Okay, this is the first lap. This one was out, Zoe. Let's see how we go. Hey, old thing, you look at something, you're gonna hit it. Look right at that stump. Red stump has now been a green stump. Nice and easy to get over. So we give these boys a bit of space. So now up here, it's a tight uphill bit. I don't want to be behind them if one of them come off. It's just up there at the end of this. Giving them nice wide berth. That bit. Someone behind me, who cares? Let's get past. They can go to the right there if they really want. Follow these boys. Floating past. No one behind. We're away. Nice and steady. Any comments below, let me know if you've ever been to a track and trail. How did you find it? And are you planning to go to another one? Go to the left last time, we'll go to the left this time. Next time we'll go to the right. Nice and steady on a downhill. That's come out of nowhere. Front wheel went left to the rut. And the rut. Green route, please. Nice and steady. Racing today, boys. Getting back to home. Let me know if you got a recluse clutch. Is it worth it? My neck down is killing right now.
So Matt's just been out on the WR just to ascertain that, you know, there's a difference between the 2-stroke, 4-stroke. Unfortunately, he came back in minus the GoPro, so he's just come back out again. I'm not sure I really want to be here if he comes back and the GoPro's not attached. He is gonna be cross. What have you just found, Matthew?
Only took a kilometre walking down the track, but I only got and found it.
Oh, thank fuck.
We didn't even make it to the point.
Here was the spot. Here it was.
We didn't make it to the point where I launched the bike off, so we haven't got that, but who cares? We found the camera.
Now we can go home.
Let's go and get a donut.
Oh.
What's going on, guys? So, an eventful day. Got quite a few laps in, which is a really good place, really good track. First time here. We'll see what's on next, what the next event is that Track and Trail put on. But really good events. Well labelled out. Again.
Good company.
Yeah.
They're thorough.
The routes are well laid out. So if anyone wants to come down to this type of event, I'd highly recommend it. Their link, their Facebook and website will be in our description below. So head down there. So then see where the next one close to you is.
If I may make a suggestion, if you're a beginner, this one might not have been the one for you.
So guys, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, the more of you guys that do that, that helps us out massively on the channel here.
Thank you for watching.